Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about the Salon Selective Argan Oil Hair Treatment. So this is, obviously, as I said, a hair treatment. It's to repair damage to your hair. It's got argan oil and vitamin E. Argan oil is very good for your hair as far as like softness and healing your hair if you have a lot of damage to it, especially heat damage or like color, which I have both, and so I decided to give this a try and see how it worked on my hair. So you put this on after shampooing your hair and you rinse it out, so it's not a leave-in conditioner, it's something that you just put in. I usually do it after shampoo and before conditioner. I will put this in, leave it in for like 5 minutes, and then rinse it out. Make sure you rinse it all the way out because it is not a leave-in conditioner, it's not a leave-in treatment, so you want to make sure to get all of the product out. Otherwise it can kind of leave your hair feeling more greasy and oily because it's going to still have that rich texture in it, that rich treatment in it. So that is the reason for making sure that you rinse it all out. Salon Selectives has a lot of really good products in their line, I think, for like damaged hair, and I would highly recommend them, and I really do like this product. I've been using it for maybe a month now, and I only wash my hair like once a week because I have really thick curly hair and I usually straighten it, which is where my heat damage comes from. So I've used it. There have been a few times where I've left my hair curly, so I would say that I've now used this maybe 6 to 7 times over the past month, and I've used it every time that I've washed my hair. And I do notice and I am starting to notice a difference. Definitely wasn't immediate. It wasn't after the first couple of uses, but after using it like consistently for a month, I am starting to notice a difference, mainly in like my ends being like looking a lot better. Now, I mean, it's definitely a myth that split ends can be repaired. The only way to get rid of them is by cutting your hair. So I did cut my hair before I started using this to get rid of my dead ends and my split ends. And I've kind of used this more to like see how long it takes before I start seeing split ends again. And I think that what this does is it slows down that process. As far as my ends, it slows down the process of them getting split ends because I have a lot fewer than I typically would in the time that it's been since my last haircut, and the only thing that I've done differently is use this product. So I would say that this definitely helps with that, and it also has made my hair just much softer. I notice that is an immediate difference that I notice after washing my hair. It's much softer like right away after first use, so which also just it's softer, so it makes it more manageable. And so yeah, so I'll go ahead and open this jar up, so twist the cap, and it comes just like this. It doesn't come with like covering or anything over it. And as you can see, I've used quite a bit of this. It comes filled pretty much to the top, which is really nice. And this is how much I still have left after like 6 or 7 uses, which is really nice, which tells me that this is going to last me like a good 4 or 5 months at least, and that's using it every single week, which is really nice. It is kind of a thicker consistency, So as you can see, like, it's not good. It doesn't drip at all. It's more of like a gel consistency. It's definitely thicker than like a conditioner or shampoo. It's more gel-like, maybe not quite as thick as gel, but it's definitely more on that side of it. And it also smells really, really good. I don't know if you've ever smelled argan oil, but that's what it smells like. It's like, I don't know how to describe the smell, the scent, unfortunately. So hopefully you have smelled argan oil before, because that is, I don't know how to describe argan oil. It's maybe closer to like a shea butter kind of smell than anything, but not really. It's a good smell. It's a subtle smell. It's a subtle scent as well. So it's not super strong. It's not super overpowering. And anyway, like, you're only gonna smell it in the shower. Well, at least for me, because I put conditioner on afterwards. So usually, like, by the time I'm actually done with the entire my hair process, like, I don't smell it at all anymore. I only smell it while I am using it. So I don't know if, like, the smell will last if it's the last step in your routine, but it might, and if it does, it's totally okay because it smells good, but it's a very subtle smell, which is really nice. Yeah, I would highly recommend this product. I really like it, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.